Hybrid working is a buzzword which exists at the moment, and in reality, it's going to be here for a long time to stay. Nostra as an example, the majority of our team all work in a hybrid mode. They're in the office some of the time, they're at home some of the time, and sometimes they're in customer sites. And what makes a really good hybrid environment function from an IT perspective? And what I would say is there's a very important word, which is legacy. And legacy IT systems and legacy applications don't really support modern ways in which companies need to work. So what we do at Nostra is we look at what old applications you have that don't ultimately function from a remote perspective well, and how can we either adapt them to work from home, or how do we advise you and work with you to replace those systems with modern applications that work natively from the cloud. Because if something works natively from the cloud, and what I mean by that is it's built in the cloud to be delivered across the web, not built for being delivered on premise and then adapted to work over the web. And when you have a native application in the cloud, it just works and people can go from anywhere. Nostra, as an example, we have over 200 people in our organization. We have no virtual or no physical servers. We're not in any environment anywhere. Our business works entirely from SaaS applications. A SaaS application is a bit like things Salesforce, Office 365, those types of solutions effectively run our business. We use different SaaS applications that all tie together that mean no matter where we are, as long as I have an internet connection, I can function. Almost all of the data in my organization is available to me on my mobile. I can look at live dashboards on my mobile. I can look at them on my laptop. I can look at them on my TV. And it doesn't matter what technology you bring. If you want a really good, reliable hybrid environment, you have to look at your applications at the start and then see, are they adaptable and are they valid for a new working world? And sometimes people go, well, I have this application and it's so customized for organization and I don't want to look at anything else. And you know what? That may be the case, but you have to consider, if you go back the last 5 or 6 or 10 years when you customize that application, nowadays you'd be amazed, out of the box, without any customization, often a lot of those features are available in a much more user-friendly way, in a much more data-driven way, where you can potentially get live information on your business and actually be able to see it at any point. As you walk around the Nostra office, you'll see all sorts of live dashboards that give us the heartbeat of the organization live in that moment, right there and then. And people come in, they go, wow, that's amazing. How do you create that? And the reality is it's created by having modern applications that actually do it out of the box.